How to insert rows and columns on Microsoft Excel. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable and insert rows, columns on your Excel sheet. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Excel sheet. Now find where you want to add your row or column. So let's say if I want to add column in between these two, I can right click here, go to insert, and it's going to insert a column on the left side of the column that I've selected. So you can add a title here, and let's say if I want to add column between 13 and 12, I can just right click on this and go to insert, and it will insert a row above. So that's how you basically insert rows and columns in Excel. If you want to delete it, right click on it, go to delete, and the column will be deleted. You could do the same for the row, right click and then delete. Now your row has also been deleted. You could also change your row height and format cells. So once you've done that, click on OK, and you're basically done. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.